Hi guys, my name is Yilong Huang. Today I'm going to introduce accounting for receivables. There are three major applications for accounting for receivables, which are generating accounts receivable, receiving accounts receivable, and bad debt expense, and write-off receivables. Where sales revenue or service revenue is generated, the cash is collected from the customers, and the receivable is reduced. We need to debit cash and credit accounts receivable. The most complicated application for accounts receivable is to record bad debt expense and write off accounts receivable. There are two main methods. The first one is direct write-off, which is to record a bad debt expense and write off the receivable when it is decided uncollectible. The second one is Lawrence method, which uses two entries to record the transaction. First is to debit bad debt expense and credit allowance for doubtful debts when the sales is made and the bad debt is estimated, then later debit allowance for doubtful debts and credit accounts receivable to write off the receivables. There are three approaches to estimate the bad debt. The first one is percentage of sales approach, which is estimating the bad debt as a percentage of sales. For example, 5% of total sales will be uncollectible. The second one is the percentage of receivables approach, which is estimating the bad debts as a percentage of receivables. For example, 2% of receivable will be uncollectible. The last one is aging of accounts receivable approach, which is to list the receivables in order according to their age, then estimating the bad debt as a percentage of each receivables. For example, 1% of receivable uncollectible will be if it is current. 3% will be uncollectible if it is overdue 3 months, and 10% will be uncollectible if it is 1 year overdue. And that's all for the topic. Thanks for listening.